Hello, today I'm in Toyota Aygo. In this video I'll show you how to reset service interval in this car. In the beginning, start the ignition and put the display on the odometer display. Now turn off the ignition, wait until the instrument cluster is also off. Now press and hold the right button right here, and while you're pressing it, start the ignition. Okay, now the display is off. Press and hold the button and start ignition. Keep pressing. Now, as you can see, it's blinking, and when it stops blinking, it means that service interval has been reset. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.